Investing in the stock market is quite simple, and here are the steps to get started. Step 1. To invest in the stock market, you need to have a Demat account. Lucky for you, opening one with Stocksbox is as free as the air you breathe. You'll find the link for the following in the description. And if you're scratching your head wondering what on earth is a Demat account, just click on the info button in the top right corner. But hold your horses. Before diving in, make sure you have this with you. Your PAN number, not the one in the kitchen. Aadhaar number, yup, that one. A lovely picture of your signature and a cancel check. It'll just take you 10 minutes to open a Demat account. Damn, that's too much time, isn't it? And also, your login details will arrive in a day. Next up, log in and add funds because you can't invest for free. You need cash, so add funds in your Demat account from your bank account and lay the foundation to becoming an ace investor. Now for the fun part, let's start investing. Where do I put my money? What stock should I pick? I get it, life's hectic. Between college, work, or being the next big entrepreneur, who's got time to look through stocks? Well, don't sweat it because StockSpurs has your back. StockSpurs gives you short-term, mid-term, and long-term stock tips that are researched thoroughly. And yes, our analysts are SEBI registered. They are the real deal. So here's the game plan. Open your free Demat account with Stocksbox. Links waiting for you in the description. And hop onto the Stocks Call train for just 499 rupees a month for the kind of stock recommendation that'll make you want to dance. And when that buy notification pops up on your phone, you hit that button like it's a snooze on a Monday morning. Oh, and we'll also tell you when to sell because let's be honest, knowing when to make an exit is important. Before you run off, don't forget to smash that like, comment, share, and subscribe button for Stocksbox, your new best friend in finance. Want a deep dive into the stock market basics? Hit up our playlist right here for all the wisdom you never knew you needed.